In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an assignment in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know how to log in, create a to-do list, add an assignment, and set who's responsible, who gets notified, and when it's due. First, open Basecamp and sign in. On the login page, enter your email address and click Next. Then type your password and press the Sign In button to continue. Once you're in, head to the home screen so you can see all of your projects in one place. If you don't land there automatically, look for the Home option and click it. Next, choose the project where you want to create the assignment. This keeps your tasks organized and visible to the right team. Inside the project, find the option to make a to-do list. Click that to start a new list. To-do lists group related tasks together, so choose a clear descriptive name. For example, website launch checklist is better than something vague like stuff to do. Type the list name in the field provided. Before you add the list, you'll see an option to track it on the hill chart. Turn this on if you want to visualize progress from figuring things out to finishing the work. It's great for spotting where a list stands and discussing progress with your team. If you don't need it, you can leave it off. When you're ready, click Add this list to create it. With the list created, it's time to add the actual assignment. In the list, add a new to-do and set the assignee. Choose the person who's responsible for completing the task. Assigning it makes ownership clear and ensures it shows up on that person's to-do radar. Next, add who to notify. Notifications keep stakeholders in the loop without requiring them to check in constantly. Pick the people who need updates, but avoid over-notifying to keep inboxes clean. Now select a due date. Setting a due date creates urgency, helps with planning, and makes the timeline visible on schedules and reports. Choose a realistic date based on workload and dependencies. If timing is flexible, you can skip the date for now and add one later, but a due date is helpful for accountability. Finally, when everything looks good, click Add this to do to save the assignment. That's it. You've created a to-do list, enabled hill chart tracking if needed, and added an assignment with an assignee, notifications, and a due date. Quick tip before we wrap up. Keep task names action-oriented and specific so anyone can understand what needs to be done at a glance. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Basecamp.